Okay guys, today we are changing our cam position sensor. So what you are looking at here is the bolt that held the sensor in place. Coming up is a better view of the sensor. And what we are going to do first is disconnect the sensor, then take off the bolt. Here's what your sensor looks like once it's out. And here is the new sensor put back in the same spot. The old sensor came from, and get that bolt back in. Go ahead and plug the sensor circuit plug back in. Screenshot this. This is the info for the sensor. Old sensor for reference. This is all the tools you need. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more ops related videos.